Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Mauritania was the last country to legally abolish slavery. It only became punishable as a criminal act in 2007. The hands of German serial killer Fritz Honka. Melbourne gave some of its trees email addresses so residents could report problems. Instead, the trees received love letters. In 2010, British goat milk farmer reportedly discovered his goats made more milk when Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You was played on loop. Gary, a marketing manager at digital equipment company, is credited with sending the first spam in 1978, a message trying to sell computers. The cardboard bed athletes will sleep at the Paris Olympics. The bed bases are made from recycled cardboard, but they are said to support several people. In Japan, instead of man in the moon, people see a rabbit in the moon. Death preventing sign at Florida underwater cave. Mephobia is the fear of becoming so awesome that the human race can't handle it and everybody dies. Ben and Jerry's actually has a graveyard where they bury all the discontinued flavors. Platinum arowana is the most expensive aquarium fish ever sold. Its price is $4 lakh. This is mosquito's foot at 800 into magnification. Mosquitoes have small hooks along their legs that allow them to latch onto skin and hairy pads that allow them to adhere to walls. Deaf players created the football huddle so they could sign to each other about plays without the opposing team seeing it. The Recording Industry Association of America attempted to outlaw MP3 players in 1998. An Indian farmer built a bike to climb coconut trees. In 1902, a lightning strike damaged the upper section of the Eiffel Tower, requiring the construction of its top. In 2002, a UK man asked the court if he could settle his minor driving fine with trial by combat. The court declined this request. In 1920, the New York Times called rockets in space ridiculous and belittled the rocket scientist Robert H. Goddard, calling him less educated than a high school student. If you are using iTunes, you have already agreed not to use Apple products for making nuclear weapons. Commercial airplanes are kept drier than the Sahara Desert, 20% humidity compared to 25%. The Grammy Awards were introduced to counter the threat of rock music. In the late 1950s, a group of record executives were alarmed by the explosive success of rock and roll, considering it a threat to quality music. Quakers invented the price tag. They thought of it as a way to prevent haggling from customers. New umbrella creates force field of air above you in order to repel the falling raindrops. The oldest recorded ice cream recipe originating in 4th century BC Persia, featuring iced rose water, vermicelli, saffron, fruits and sweet flavors. Pencil sharpener recycles pencil shavings to create erasers. Sniper bullets can travel so far that the rotation of the earth will move the target and shooters have to adjust their aim accordingly. There is a cloud of alcohol floating in space. This is not a cloud either. There is enough alcohol in this cloud to make fill 400 trillion pins of beer. It is 10,000 light years away in the constellation of Aquila. The 5 biggest career related regrets. The perfect essay formula: one thought per sentence, one idea per paragraph, one argument per chapter or heading. While death by guillotine might seem like an ancient ritual, the practice was still used in France up until 1977, when the original Star Wars was in theaters. This is the 1958 Golden Sahara 2, a futuristic concept car that is known for its glazed cockpit of a 1953 Lincoln Capri, luxurious and gold-plated interior and exterior trim, and translucent luminous Goodyear tires. In 2010, survey revealed that whopping 90% of Norwegian men and 97% of Norwegian women read at least one book a year. Nearly half of the women read more than 10 books annually. Facts about South India that we bet you did not know. It was ruled by more than 18 dynasties over a period of 4,000 years. It is home to the wealthiest temples in the world. It is home to a variety of classical dance forms. The economy is 2 into better than North India. It has over 75% of coconut produce in India. It's a home to exquisite silk and cotton clothing. The largest producer of spices in India. South India is home to 9 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Thanks for watching.